Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Montgomery County in north central Texas, Jack County in north central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Doppler radar indicated several thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving north across the warned area. Much of this area received significantly heavy rainfall last night, and very rapid runoff will occur quickly this evening. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bowie, Jacksboro, Nakota, St. Joe, Bryson, Stillburg, and Newport. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Wichita County in northern Texas, northern Clay County in northern Texas, until 11 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in parts of the warned area, with between 2 and 4 inches in recent days. Some locations that will experience flooding include Wichita Falls, Lawton, Duncan, Marlow, Henrietta, Walters, Waurika, Comanche, Geronimo, Ringling, Temple, Land, Petrolia, Belma, Butters, Dean, Redwood, Turtle, Jolly, and Hastings. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.